kids, I am an apple, sweet and tangy, rich in vitamins, loved by those who value health and flavor.
Hey kids, I am banana. I bring a creamy texture, abundant potassium, and a beloved taste, appealing to those who crave a natural energy boost.
Hey kids, I'm coconut, filled with creamy goodness from the tropics, loved by those who crave natural sweetness and enjoy versatile snacks. Hey kids, I'm guava, bursting with tropical flavor and packed with vitamins, loved by those who enjoy a juicy and nutritious treat. Hey kids, I'm grapes, juicy and sweet, loved by those who enjoy popping snacks bursting with natural flavor and antioxidants. Hey kids, I'm lemon, zesty and tangy, loved by those who crave a burst of refreshing citrus flavor in their drinks and dishes. Hey kids, I'm mango, juicy and tropical, loved by those who savor a sweet, sunny escape in every bite. Hey kids, I'm orange, bursting with tangy sweetness and packed with vitamin C, loved by those who crave a refreshing and healthy snack. Hey kids, I'm papaya, tropical and sweet, loved by those who enjoy a deliciously exotic fruit, packed with vitamins and digestive enzymes. Hey kids, I'm peach, juicy and sweet, loved by those who enjoy a fuzzy, summery delight bursting with flavor. Hey kids, I'm pear, crisp and juicy, loved by those who appreciate a refreshing and subtly sweet fruit for a healthy snack. Hey kids, I'm pomegranate, bursting with juicy seeds and rich antioxidants, loved by those who enjoy a unique and flavorful superfruit. Hey kids, I'm raspberry, bursting with tangy sweetness and tiny seeds, loved by those who enjoy a pop of vibrant flavor in every bite. Hey kids, I'm strawberry, juicy and sweet, loved by those who enjoy a classic and deliciously red treat bursting with flavor. Hey kids, I'm a star fruit, exotic and refreshing, loved by those who seek a unique and tropical taste adventure.